Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today we'll be walking through how to install POSpro Script from this amazing website. Let's so first thing you want to do is to open your browser and search for .net. Alright, so once you're done with that, you can see an outcome just like this. You see the website. So you just want to go ahead and search for your preferred script. So for me, I already have this POSpro Script. So this is an advanced POS and inventory management system application. So this is written in Flutter. It also has a panel written in Laravel. So what you want to do next is just to go ahead and read through documentations and see the features of the application and other details that are using it. So once that is successfully done, we're going to go ahead and add this script to cart. Click on the add to cart button. It's just view this button. You see the details of the item you add to cart, and just see the name. This is POSpro advanced application. You see the price of the application is $29. Flutter script. So you just confirm everything, and then you go ahead to check out. So clicking on go to check out, you're just going to be requested to your credentials that are required in order to make purchase. So in our case, we're going to be going through this route where you purchase the script so you can look at it a second time. So just go ahead and do the process. It's a straightforward procedure. Just put the required fields and then your script to get started with the download. So once the download is successful, you just want to go ahead and go to a new tab in order to get your required tools. So the tools that we're going to be installing or downloading this script in order to get started with Flutter is Flutter authentication. We're going to get some IDE, which is some integrated development environments such as Android Studio as well as Visual Studio. Alright, so we're going to go to Flutter Visual Documentation. This is Flutter Visual Documentation, which is going to be used to get started with Flutter. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going to give you a rundown of what you're supposed to do in order to get this up and running. And you just want to go ahead and choose your preferred development environment in order to start. So if you're going to be using Windows, since I'm using Windows, you can use Mac OS. So depending on your operating system, you select which one you want. So once that is selected, you want to go ahead and choose your first step of application. So our POS advanced application is an Android application. So we're just going to go ahead and select Android. Alright, so once that is done, you want to go ahead and confirm your system requirements. Ensure that your system meets the Android requirements as well as the software requirements for this application. And just go through the documentation, confirm everything is alright. Once that is done, you just want to go ahead and go to this next step, which is install the Flutter SDK now. So there are two tabs here. You can use VS Code to install it, so you can use Android, or you can download it directly and install it here. So there are a couple of steps here after you click on this download. So the current version is 3.292. So there are a couple of steps here, about 3 steps that you need to follow in order to get and extract this Flutter SDK after being downloaded. So the first one you download it on this button down here. And the second step, you just have to create a folder where you can install Flutter. So that's going to be after you download Flutter, you just create a new folder. You can call it directory, or you can call it whatever it is you want to call it. Just do that. It should be a nickname, and you're going to extract the zip Flutter to that directory. Once you're done with that, yeah. Alright, so now that we have downloaded Flutter SDK, it's time to get our integrated development environment running. So the first IDE we're going to be installing and downloading is Android Studio. So what is Android Studio? Android Studio is simply Android development environment. So you can get to make modifications to your Flutter script just there. So yeah, just go ahead and read the documentation. What is good about this Android Studio, read about the features and all that, new incoming features and features that exist. This should help you to know your way around Android Studio. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead to review these notes, this should also help you. And you just want to go ahead and click on this download button here. So get that you're going to be reading the terms and conditions. Ensure you read the terms and conditions, and once you're completed with that, you just want to go ahead and check this box where you agree that you read the terms and conditions, and then you can download Android Studio. Megat is the current version of Android Studio, the latest version of Android Studio at the time. Alright, so once you're done with that, you click on this button and then you download it immediately. Alright, so the next thing we want to get is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is another IDE, so we just want to get this in order to also write our Flutter application or edit our Flutter application directly from this IDE. So there are three options here. You can get it down and make it here. So the main benefit of that is like this. Just select it, then your download is going to be immediately selection. And once you're done with that, follow the steps and procedures in order to install this different IDs for the Android Studio and in your machine. So just click on the install exe and then follow the set of steps and procedures that then it's a straightforward process. Alright, now that everything that we need has been installed and downloaded, you just want to go ahead and hit your installed Flutter script, and then either use your Android Studio or Android Studio here, and also have Visual Studio here. So I currently have it at Visual Studio. You just want to go ahead and locate it, so your directory path should be pointed down to your installed Flutter script, right, for code.net. Now you're going to be putting in a few commands in order to get this running. So you just want to start with Flutter run. Sorry about that. Flutter run. You just want to run this project like that. So we get past that. Sorry about that. So you just want to say Flutter. That's the first command in order to start cleaning your project. Right? Don't get to this project machine. The first thing you want to do is to clean the project and ensure that most of the plugin dependencies that doesn't match your system. So you just want to go ahead and clean that. So once you're done cleaning, you just want to go ahead and say this is going to reinstall these dependencies, plugins, and also files that we created, and which is going to be Alright, so we have everything up and running. We see that our dependencies is successfully so it's definitely doing well. Everything was perfectly installed. So let's now connect our emulator. So if you're using a physical device, you just have to plug it into your system. Later you can get to understand and get your emulator up and running. Once that is done, you just want to go ahead and do the final command, which is Flutter run. This is going to run your application in your emulator. Okay, so our application is running right now. Some time and it's going to be on. Okay, so our application is up and running, and it's actually dispatching. So we're already logged into the application. It's just like up and running. So we have the home screen and the button settings. So that is all about this application. If you want to get more, just fire us a coffee, tell us if you want help to install the scripts, and then we'll help you do that. So thank you very much and see you next time.